Hello and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm actually unboxing the medium-sized Colourpop mystery box. This mystery box retailed for $49 and the products inside are worth $102. I have already unboxed the mini box on my channel, so if you're interested in seeing what items I got in that box, then definitely check that video out as well. But after unboxing the first one, I'm really excited to unbox this one and just have a look at all of the products in here. So just opening the box up, we have just got the kind of usual Colourpop packaging. Everything's all nicely bubble wrapped. I'm not sure how many items are in this box, but I'll just reach in one by one and just have a look at them all. So the first item we have got is this So Juicy Plumping Gloss, and this is in the shade Candy Coated. So I haven't tried any of their plumping glosses before. In fact, there's pretty much a lot of Colourpop makeup I've not tried. I've only really tried a couple of their eyeliners, like the liquid ones, and their eyeshadow palettes, and I think 1 or 2 lip products. But this is what the gloss looks like. It is a really lovely pink colour, and I don't know if the camera's picking it up, but it has got some really nice shimmery flecks in it. So there's just a little swatch on my hand. It's just a really lovely baby pink shade, and although I'm not the hugest fan of a gloss, despite the fact I've got one on today, if I were to just pick this, I'm really glad that it is in this pinky shade, because I do like either a nude lip colour or a pink lip colour. So definitely will get good use out of this. I think it's a really pretty shade, maybe a bit more of a spring-like shade than anything, you know, coming up for autumn or winter. But yeah, good little product there. Okay, and next up, oh, this is a really lovely packaging. So this is a medium fluff brush, and oh yeah, they're F24 medium fluff brush. Never tried Colourpop brushes before, but in my opinion, you can never have too many makeup brushes. So, oh, it is actually a really lovely looking brush. The bristles feel so soft. These are really lovely and soft. I like the gold detailing of Colourpop, and then it tells you what the brush is. I suppose you just have to remember what each code meant, but there we go. That's the same for most brushes. Just feels like nice lightweight brush, and yeah, you can really never have too many makeup brushes. And next up in my mystery box, oh okay, so this is something from Fourth Ray Beauty. So this is the Papaya Face Milk. It says revitalizing moisture booster, a revitalizing boost of moisture for healthier skin, formulated with papaya enzymes, papaya oil and white tea. This formula will replenish and condition the complexion. So you just apply 2 to 3 drops into your palm, warm between hands, and gently press into skin. So this definitely sounds like a really easy product to use. It comes in this little pot here. I'm guessing this is going to be like one of those pipette things. Oh yeah, there we go. So just obviously get a couple of drops of that into your hand and then massage it into your face. It has got quite a nice subtle papaya fragrance actually. It's not too overpowering. This is actually a really good product, especially for this time of year, because I find when it does start to get a bit cooler, my skin does just get a bit dry. I'm hoping this is good for sensitive skin. Oh yeah, safe for all skin types. It's vegan, cruelty free. So definitely will be giving this a little go on my skin when I've obviously got no makeup on. Yeah, I'm really intrigued to try this out. Next up, we have got a Lippy Pencil, and this one is in shade Cool BFF. Okay, it's kind of like this taupe brown colour. So that's the shade there. Just a little swatch on my hand. So yeah, quite a nice lip colour here, definitely very autumnal. What I do like about the Lippy pencils is that you can just sharpen them like a normal pencil. This kind of plasticky outside you are able to sharpen. I know the first time I had one of these, it took me a while to work out how to actually sharpen them, but yeah, that's what you do. Next up, we have got a pressed powder shadow, and this one is in shade Something. So I'll just pop that out of this little packet. So that's what the shade looks like. So it's this really lovely, again, quite a good autumnal shade, I think, like a goldy kind of shimmer. I do love a shimmery eyeshadow. I do love, you know, a bit of sparkle and everything, as you can probably tell by today's makeup. I do also own like a different magnetic palette, so that's great. I can just pop this one into that so I won't lose it. Next product we've got has come kind of double bubble wrapped. And what is this? Oh, okay, we have got a Super Shock shadow. I love the Super Shock shadows. This one is in shade Flower Child. So it's just in this little yellowy packet here, and kind of similar to the other shade that I've just shown you, but again, just a nice autumnal shade, lovely shimmery colour. Oh, it's just so soft and buttery in the little pan. Don't know whether you can see there. Oh yeah, look at that reflection. That is absolutely beautiful. And I can't wait to use this in a look. Next up, we have got something else that is also double wrapped, and this is the Soul Body Shimmering Dry Oil. This is a really, really snazzy packaging. I really like this. So this is a Luxe Lightweight Dry Oil with next level multi-dimensional shimmer. Shake well, massage into skin using fingertips or buff into skin using a brush. Apply liberally to highlight your highlight. Oh, and this is their Rainbow Glow one. Very apt, I guess, given the packaging. Oh, wow, that is really shimmery. So you can see all of that shimmer just moving around in the bottle there. Does come out quite liquidy from the little pump, but I'll just massage that into my hand. I've got really sparkly hand now, and again, it's got a really gorgeous fragrance. Actually, I think this would just look nice to just pop on like a night out, or if you've like tanned or something. I mean, I don't tan, I just look like a ghost all the time, but this is just really nice and just like a subtle sparkle without being too over the top. Next up, oh, okay, we have got a Creme Gel Liner, and I don't have any Creme Gel Liners from Colourpop. I do have the liquid liners, which I absolutely love. This one is in the shade Extra Frosting, so I don't know what shade that's going to be. Okay, this is actually perfect for today's look and today's outfit. So it is actually this kind of pastel-y yellow. So these ones are just retractable, just like a cute little pastel yellow there. I, as you can probably tell, I'm a big fan of yellow, so this is definitely right up my street, and yeah, definitely going to get some good use out of this. And next up, oh, okay, something else I've not tried. This is a Super Shock Cheek, and this is the shade Out of Quartz. Again, never tried these. I do have one of their little like blush and highlight quads, and that's like the only face thing I've used from Colourpop. So it does look like quite a dark shade, which I'm a little bit concerned about. So this is the shade here. It is really soft and buttery. I suppose a bit like the Super Shock shadows. I don't know if it's the same formula. That's just a little swatch of it there, and I'm not sure whether this is going to be a bit too dark for my complexion for a cheek powder. Maybe if I just apply it really carefully in just a really small amount. I would like to know actually if this is eye safe, because if it is, then it would be a really good eyeshadow, but I'm not sure. I would have to definitely look that up to obviously double check that one. And I can see in the box there's just 3 items left. So the first thing out of those three actually is this Lippy Stix, and this one is in the shade Who Run This. I think this is going to be a matte one. Well, it does say matte on the end, so I'm hoping it's going to be a matte one. So there is the packaging for that. And yeah, that looks like a really gorgeous wearable shade again. There's a little mini swatch, and I think that is a really pretty shade. It's definitely got some kind of like slight brown undertones in that, but I really like that as a shade. So yeah, haven't tried any of the Lippy Stix either, so as pretty much with everything in this box so far, I'm really excited to try this out as well. And our second to last item is this Act Natural Defining Mascara, and oh okay, this is their black mascara. So heard really great things about their mascaras, and I do always wear a black mascara, so this is definitely really great and definitely a product that I will use. It's got quite a nice fine looking wand, and even as I've pulled it out now, it doesn't look like too much product's gone on the wand, so I'm hoping this isn't going to be like too clumpy or anything. Cute little packaging again, and yeah, you can never really have too many mascaras in my opinion. Okay, and the last item, so I actually already own this palette. This is the Animal Crossing What a Hoot eyeshadow palette. What I'll do is I'll just grab my one so I can open it up and show you it rather than having to open up this one. So there is the inside packaging, and there are all of the really pretty shades. So we've got a pressed glitter, which I know some people aren't massive fans of, a couple of mattes, nice other shimmer there as well. I really love this palette. It's a really great neutral palette, and definitely I think a really autumnal palette, so it is really excellent. What I'm actually doing for the whole of October is I'm going to be running a giveaway which is linked to my birthday, so all of the details for that are in my day one of Vlogtober video, so if you do want to enter, check out that video and check out all of the rules. But because I have already got this palette, there's no need for me to have two, so I will just add that to that giveaway. And yeah, if you want a chance to win that, then check out my Vlogtober day one video. So that was everything in my medium-sized Colourpop mystery box. As I said at the start, this was $49 and the items inside worth $102. I'm just going to do a quick rundown to see whether everything was worth $102 or whether it was more, or hopefully it wasn't less. So starting off with the Animal Crossing Was a Hoot palette, that actually retails for $12. The Super Shock Cheek highlighter is $8. The pressed powder shadow is $5. The Act Natural mascara is $9. The Lippy Stick is $7. The Creme Gel Liner is $6. The medium fluff brush is $10. The Super Shock eyeshadow is $6. The Lippy Pencil is also $6. The Papaya face milk is actually the most expensive product so far, that's $14. The So Juicy lip gloss is $8. And the Shimmering dry oil is $10. So personally, I think that the Colourpop mystery box has been really great value. It's definitely included a whole load of items I don't have or I haven't tried, which I'm really excited about. Definitely given me the opportunity to try like the face milk, which I'm really excited about, and also to try out some more of their lip products. But yeah, I'm really happy with everything in here. As I said, the eyeshadow palette will be going into my giveaway, but everything else I will be keeping and obviously trying out and making full use of. But yeah, I'm really happy with everything that was in my mystery box. If you've purchased one of these and you've got any items that were different or anything the same, then let me know in the comments below. If you've got a favourite Colourpop product or anything here you thought looked particularly interesting, then I'd really love to know. But as always, thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope that you did enjoy it. If you did, please do give the video a big thumbs up, leave me a comment, and if you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, and I'll see you again in my next video.